Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your photography for branding in Lightroom Classic, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Lightroom Classic on your computer. Once the application is running, navigate to the Library module. Select the folder that contains the photographs you wish to back up. Use the folder panel on the left to locate your image folder. Highlight the folder by clicking on it. In the upper right corner, click on the Import button. This will bring up the Import dialog box. Here, you will see options to choose the source of the backup. Under the Source section, double-check that your image folder is selected. Now, look for the File Handling section. Choose Convert to DNG if you want to save your files in a more compatible format. Moving to the File Renaming section, you can create a consistent naming structure for your images. This makes future retrieval much easier. Next, go to the Destination panel. Select where you want your backup files to be stored. You can use an external hard drive or a cloud service for added safety. Ensure that Make a Second Copy to is checked. This enables you to back up your files in 2 different locations. Once you've confirmed all the settings are correct, click the Import button. Lightroom will now begin to import and back up your images. This process may take some time depending on the number of files being backed up. While the import is in progress, you can monitor the status at the top of the screen. After the import is finished, navigate to the Develop module. This is where you can start editing your photos if needed. To ensure your backup is complete, check the destination folder you selected earlier. Make sure all files have been properly copied. For future backups, consider setting a regular schedule to protect your work. Utilizing Lightroom's features regularly can streamline your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.